questions about whether or not my BMX handlebar modified Lectric XP will fold, so let's find out real quick. So far so good. Now, unlike the factory which folds to the outside, this is going to fold to the inside, so it's actually going to be a little bit more compact, especially if you don't have those BMX bars on it. Let's fold her back up. Let's unfold her. And there you go. It folds up pretty nicely, so that's exciting. You know, when I made the mods for the BMX bars and everything, and dropping the computer down, I had not expected to, I thought I would lose the foldability. You know, crack it open, get the battery out was good enough. All that with, let's not forget these extra short cables. You can't see it from this side, but these cables run all the way down under the lower bracket and come back. I've got nearly 12 inches of extra cables that I pulled out of the front of this. Cable management is a mess and you got to be careful about it, but it works. And watch this. All the way around 180 and all the way around 180. So you just got to make sure you get your cables done the right way. And if you look really